Alright, hello there guys. I've got another video for you today. This one's to do with the different characters. So to start with, I'm going to show you this. So this is an if-else statement that runs through the different rectangles that could be spawned. So if the player style is 1 being warrior, they're defined in the button thing. So when the button's clicked, player style 3, player style 1, player style 2, 1 is warrior, 2 archer, 3 mage. It's also defined in this one, which is the other pages. It doesn't need explaining, they're both the same, pretty much. It's just slightly different. So this here, so when the warrior button's pressed, which returns a 1 to player style, it spawns the rectangle red. When player style 2 is clicked, which is the archer button, it returns 2 and green is spawned. When 3 is pressed, a blue one is spawned. So I can show you this. This currently works. I can get it up. Come on. Alright. So warrior spawns a red one. We'll show that first. So you can see it spawns a red one. We can move around. It's just running on the same code as the other one was. So this one here, where it changes, the one that we did in the last video, where it changes, the block changes by its size every second, or every repetition, and it stops it from going on an angle sort of thing. So if we go back again and run the archer, this one, all the things run through this animation as well. Yeah. So if we run archer, oh, why is it not going? Worked just before. There we go. Okay. So now this one works too. Obviously, there's nothing within the game itself yet, anyway. But we'll sort that out in time. If we run the last one, you'll see that it's blue, as it's number 3, and it is the mage. So this is going to also, the player style is also going to be implicated into the attacking function when the spacebar is pressed. Or I don't know how I'm going to do that. I might change the buttons around. But as you can see, it's blue. So if I press the buttons, it also moves around too. Obviously, you can't stop yet, but that'll be implicated. So yeah, so this player style here is going to be implicated into the fighting feature too, because obviously the warrior is going to have a different attack to the mage, and the mage is going to have a different attack to the archer, and so each thing is going to need a different animation for it or whatever, and so each different animation is going to be run through that player style function, if else. But we'll obviously get to that later on in the development stage. That's probably going to be quite a while away. I don't know how long till I start working on that. I think next probably be working on the enemies and making them randomly move, and then I'll probably be working on the attacking, due to the fact that they both need to be we need to be attacking and they need to be able to be shooting. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that, whether I'm going to have them just randomly firing in all directions, or if I'm going to have try and work out some sort of way to do that an AI, so that they detect where you are and they sometimes shoot at you if you're close or whatever. That could be get a little bit difficult, but I mean, time's going to start getting short anyway, so I'm going to start running out of time. But anyway, thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for any later videos. See you.